Design of machine elements. Question 1. Which gear is used if the axes of two shafts are neither intersecting nor parallel? A. Hypoid gears. B. Worm gears. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer: both A and B. Question 2. Spiral gears are used only if the axes of two shafts are non-intersecting, non-parallel and, fill in the blank. A. Perpendicular. B. Parallel. C. Non-perpendicular. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Non-perpendicular. Question 3. In which of the following processes, tooth ends are made thinner? A. Backlash effect. B. Crowing of gear tooth. C. Hunting of gear tooth. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Crowing of gear tooth. Question 4. What are the advantages of smaller pressure angles? A. High radial force. B. High separating force. C. High contact ratio. D. All of the above. Answer: C. High contact ratio. Question 5. In force analysis of spur gears, which component of force assists the rotation on driven gear? A. Axial component. B. Radial component. C. Tangential component. D. All of the above. Answer: C. Tangential component. Question 6. Which of the following is not a property of lubricants? A. High specific heat. B. High flash point. C. Low pour point. D. Low oxidation stability. Answer: D. Low oxidation stability. Question 7. Mass of, fill in the blank, required to neutralize 1 gram of lubricating oil is called as neutralization number. A. Potassium hydroxide. B. Calcium hydroxide. C. Magnesium hydroxide. D. None of the above. Answer: A. Potassium hydroxide. Question 8. What is the pitch cone distance of bevel gear, if pitch circle diameter of bevel pinion and gear is 20 and 30 respectively? A. 100 mm. B. 18.02 mm. C. 21.32 mm. D. 25 mm. Answer: B. 18.02 mm. Question 9. What is the frictional torque acting on a cylindrical roller bearing a 50 mm diameter which is subjected to radial load of 30 kN and has coefficient of friction 0.0011? A. 109 kN mm. B. 900 kilonewtons millimeters. C. 825 newton millimeters. D. 1650 newton millimeters. Answer: C. 825 newton millimeters. Question 10. A cylindrical roller bearing is subjected to frictional torque of 500 newton millimeters. What is the approximate power loss if the shaft rotates at 1500 rpm? A. 0.0785 kilowatt. B. 0.0392 kilowatt. C. 0.0526 watt. D. 0.0236 watt. Answer: A. 0.0785 kilowatt. Question 11. What will be the static capacity of single-row deep groove ball bearing having 10 balls of 15 mm? Assume K equals 62 Newton per millimeter to A. 25,900 kilonewtons. B. 124 kilonewtons. C. 31.00 kilonewtons. D. 27.900 kilonewtons. Answer: D. 27.900 kilonewtons. Question 12. The expected rating life of roller bearings rotating at 1000 rpm is 30,000 hours and equivalent dynamic load of 4000 Newton acts on it. What is the basic dynamic capacity of the bearing? A. 26,000.12 Newton. B. 30,000.23 Newton. C. 37,900.22 Newton. D. 48,657.61 Newton. Answer: C. 37,900.22 Newton. Question 13. What is the effect of large diametral quotient on worm and worm wheel? A. Strength and rigidity of worm shaft is high. B. Efficiency of worm shaft increases. C. Worm shaft becomes weaker. D. All of the above. Answer: A. Strength and rigidity of worm shaft is high. Question 14. A standard worm gear pair is designated as 4/40/10/8. What does number 10 in it indicate? A. Number of starts on worm. B. Diametral quotient. C. Center distance. D. Module. Answer: B. Diametral quotient. Question 15. A worm gear pair is designated as 1/30/10/8. What is the face width of the worm gear? A. 30 mm. B. 53.07 mm. C. 58.4 mm. D. 62.3 mm. Answer: C. 58.4 mm. Question 16. Which of the following belts is used when axes of two shafts are perpendicular and intersecting? A. Open belt drive. B. Cone pulley drive. C. Quarter turn belt drive with guide pulley. D. Stepped pulley drive with guide pulley. Answer: C. Quarter-turn belt drive with guide pulley. Question 17. Friction ply used in multiple ply belts is made of, fill in the blank. A. Polyester cords. B. Polyamide strips. C. Synthetic strips. D. All of the above. Answer: C. Synthetic strips. Question 18. A flat belt pulley has center distance between two pulleys as 1000 mm. If diameters of two pulleys are 600 mm and 300 mm, what is the length of belt? A. 2436.21 mm. B. 3003 mm. C. 3256.5 mm. D. 3436 mm. Answer: D. 3436 mm. Question 19. What is the shear stress in fluid per unit velocity gradient called as? A. Absolute viscosity. B. Dynamic viscosity. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer: both A and B. Question 20. Which of the following gear tooth failures is induced when maximum Hertz contact stress on gear tooth surface exceeds surface endurance strength of tooth? A. Abrasive strength. B. Corrosive wear. C. Destructive pitting. D. Galling. Answer: C. Destructive pitting. Question 21. What is scuffing? A. Lubrication failure. B. Surface fatigue failure. C. Surface injury on matting teeth surfaces. D. Wear due to chemical action by lubricants. Answer: A. Lubrication failure. Question 22. Angle made by, fill in the blank, with axis of rotation is called as helix angle. A. Only helix. B. Only teeth. C. Helix or teeth. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Helix or teeth. Question 23. To avoid interference, the minimum number of teeth required on helical pinion decreases as helix angle, fill in the blank. A. Decreases. B. Increases. C. Does not affect number of teeth. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Increases. Question 24. Which of the following statements are true? A. Helical gears have high contact ratio than spur gears. B. Axial thrust is created by helical gears on bearings. C. Crossed helical gears are used for power and motion transmission. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Question 25. A bevel gear has pitch circle diameters of pinion and gear as 20 mm and 40 mm respectively. What is the face width of bevel gear? M equals module. A 17.5 module. B 10 module. C 7.45 module. D 3.16 module. Answer: C 7.45 module. Question 26. What is the pitch line velocity of pinion has pitch circle diameter of 35 mm and rotates at 1000 rpm transmitting power of 250 kW to the gear? A 1.832 meters per second. B 2.5 meters per second. C 3.662 meters per second. D. None of the above. Answer: A 1.832 meters per second. Question 27. A straight bevel gear is manufactured by cutting process and maximum tangential force of 12,000 Newton acts on it. What is the effective load acting between meshing teeth if pitch line velocity is 130 meters per second? A 92.30 kilonewtons. B 272 kilonewtons. C 2000 Newton. D. Insufficient data. Answer: B 272 kilonewtons. Question 28. A deep groove ball bearing rotating at 1200 rpm is subjected to radial and an axial force of 2000 Newton and 1500 Newton respectively. What will be the basic dynamic capacity of bearing if 20,000 hours is the rating life? Consider radial factor equals 0.55, thrust factor equals 2 and application factor equals 1.5. A 69.448 kilonewtons. B 54.498 kilonewtons. C 50.236 kilonewtons. D 12.726 kilonewtons. Answer: A 69.448 kilonewtons. Question 29. Load acting on bearing in its plane of rotation is called as, fill in the blank. A. Axial load. B. Radial load. C. Thrust load. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Radial load. Question 30. Which of the following elements is not used as a roller in roller bearings? A. Cylindrical. B. Taper. C. Spherical. D. None of the above. Answer: D. None of the above. Question 31. Which of the following bearings carry thrust load in one direction? A. Spherical roller thrust bearings. B. Taper roller bearings. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Both A and B. Question 32. A cylindrical roller bearing is subjected to radial force of 4500 Newton and application factor 1.3. What is the equivalent dynamic load acting on bearing if it has 90% reliability with desired life of 10,000 hours? A. 3461.53 Newton. B. 5000 Newton. C. 5850 Newton. D. Insufficient data. Answer: C. 5850 Newton. Question 33. What is the shortest distance between worm gear and axis of the worm for a worm gear pair designated as 2/40/10/8? A. 50 mm. B. 200 mm. C. 320 mm. D. 360 mm. Answer: B. 200 mm. Question 34. Langley ropes offer more resistance to, fill in the blank. A. Fatigue failure. B. Abrasive failure. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer: both A and B.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.